Friday, everyone. I'm Ann Birchard. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I like to create crafting connections one card at a time. Today's card I'm going to be using By My Side, this little girl, and the designer tag dies, the largest tag. Sit back, relax, enjoy the music. All the supplies I've used will be in the description box below. Let's make a card. there you have it. A cute little card to send to a friend. I use Designer Series papers as kind of my focal point, both on the envelope and on the background of the card. Don't forget to decorate the inside. I went sneaky and just painted using the Stampin' marker in black, just for the little bird. Add some ribbon and, of course, Winkostella. Who doesn't love Winkostella? Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next week. Bye.